Hey love, so after so many days I am back with some unboxing. This is some art supply. Actually they are metallic watercolor handmade from the theory shop, and they packed in so cute. Okay, so let's open it. This cute packing, like cute, and some stickers. And let's open this one. Opening it the first time. I'm very excited. Okay, let's open it. Wow, so many goodies. So many colors. Swatching for watercolor paper. 2. C 3. And some card. And this is my favorite color. I'm ordering it, like reordering it. This is the so this is the best gold, like metallic gold color watercolor you can ever find. This is from Artsyritwi shop, and I ordered it full pan now, and I'm really loving it. I love the shade, and they give me so beautiful box also. You guys believe this all beautiful metallic shade, like this dot cards and these beautiful colors are just rupees 600. They are so good. I'm really excited to try them out, and I will try them out. Yeah. Okay, so these are my old Artsyritwi watercolors, and metallic, and these are my new ones. You did see that there are so much, 19 colors and maybe. And my new restock, this beautiful gold. It's awesome. So I'll be swatching these and all the colors in this white watercolor paper. I just cut it in butterfly shape, and this black paper, I don't know, it has some, okay. Just the color, please. It look like white. I don't think it's white. It's so beautiful. My camera is not that good to picking the colors, but trust me, they are not that patchy. They're like mesmerizing. The colors are so beautiful. So these are all the dot cut swatches, like in the white color paper. Beautiful. I love this one actually, this white one. It's beautifully purple on the black paper. Okay, let's swatch all of these babies now. This is one actually from their Christmas collection, special Christmas collection. There are like 3 or 4 colors. So I got the green one. Everyone got a different color. Green color is so pretty. Like in the, like, it's not that good looking in the white paper, but in the black one it's mesmerizing. I have no words. So my friends, here all the swatches, beautiful swatches. I love this one. I don't know, my lighting is not that good, but like you can still see how beautiful they are. Wait a minute. Now you can see how beautiful they are. And then I have this. This is all. Oh, this is the special color. That's why I mentioned it in the white card. Venus. Can you see? This is looking orangey gold color in the black paper, but in the white paper it's kind of a pinkish orange. So yeah, that's it. They're beautiful. I really enjoy them. So okay, let me show you my favorite color once again. This one, this called 24 karat gold. It's you can see it's so big. It's the full pan, and it has so much. This is the smaller version. I had it. Okay, let's use it. And trust me when I say reactivating them are like super easy. this gold color is mesmerizing when I use it on white paper. Like when I use them on like white, it's a beautiful color. I cannot explain the color. Like it's looking yellow kind of, but it's not that yellow. It's beautiful gold. It has some orangey tone. And actually the sun is very bright, that's why the color are not looking so good. They're beautiful, you can see they are beautiful. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, if you can screenshot all of them. If you want any color, you can like name or mention here. This color are because they are dot, all of the name was not mentioned, but this beautiful green one name I guess mentioned. This is not mentioned. This is this beautiful purpley pink one. The green one name is here. You can take a screenshot if you want. And so yeah, these are all of the colors. So if you guys enjoy this video, do share this with your friends and family. And yeah, I'm making some greetings card this year. If you want to buy them, I'll be posting them soon on Instagram. Some New Year cards, some Valentine's Day. I know it's too soon for Valentine's Day, but yeah, I'm making them, and I bought this for that purpose only, to add some glitters, to add some zhuzh. Okay, so yeah, if you guys love this video, please subscribe my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you guys, I love you so much. Bye bye.